So here we are at Vasona's second bathroom. We're testing our radio links, like 2.4 from the second bathroom back to the first bathroom, and from the first bathroom to the kiosk, which is 5 gigahertz. So we're testing these two bridge links, seeing if they're stable. So right now our test rig is our laptop connected to our PoE, connected right to our radios. So when we look at what's going on here, let's start with this side here. So we got a neg 53, and this is going back to the .12, which is the first bathroom. So our neg 53 gives us a 144 data rate and a 99% quality on that link. All right. And with that said, there's our clean ping going back to the first bathroom. All right. And then, here's our bridge link from bathroom 1 to the kiosk. We got neg 45. And we got a 300 data rate. We're using 5 gigahertz with a 40 megahertz channel space. And as a result, here's our clean pings back to the .9. So this is just basic setup here. And we're just PoE into the radio and testing the radio link through the bathroom to the kiosk, and that all works. All right. So we proved out our RF. We've got neg 44 on the first link, and we got neg 54 in a second. We got clean pings. We got clean pings. So there you have it. So here's a final look at our two bridge links, which test clean. We got great signal. 46 on our kiosk to bathroom 1, and 53 on our bathroom 1 or bathroom 2. We got full data rates, and we got clean pings going across. So as far as the RF testing goes, and the RF engineering, it works. But when we plug into the Cisco stuff, we tend to go into block states on ports. So, not sure what's going on with that, but we gotta troubleshoot that stuff out. So here we are at Vasona bathroom, second bathroom, and we're trying to run a continuous ping test. But our laptop keeps going into blocking state, right? So that fucks up our test, right? And then we lose our packets going back through the first and second bridge towards the kiosk. And it don't matter that we got neg 53 with 144 full data rate and 99% quality of the link from the second bathroom to the first bathroom. There's no packets going across right now in our test because so port number 9 is blocked. Right? So we'll start passing traffic here in a second. This fucks our test up, right? So I wonder if those other ports go into block state that have the radios connected to them. But right now, as far as our test goes, I can't test with my laptop through this link. See what's going on until that switch unblocks its show. Look, we just saw it. And look, now it's pingable. Oh my god, it's blocking again, dude. It's alright, so we can't test with this rig. So then what we gotta do is we gotta unplug. What is that? Alright, so now we're going directly in our PoE. Look, as soon as we plug the cable in the PoE, the pings come up. Alright, so let's do this. Stop that ping, start it over. Stop this ping, start it over. Alright, so basically what's happening here is we're pinging back to the dot 11, which is the first bathroom, and then back to the kiosk, which is the dot 9. So those pings are running, those are clean. And then as far as radios go, this is our signal strength coming from the first and second bathroom, which is totally solid, 144, because it's 20 megahertz channel space on 2.4. We're on a negative 53, which is super hot. And then this is the radio going from the bathroom number 1 back to the kiosk. So this is a 5 gigahertz radio. We got neg 46 because it's just right across the yard. We're using a 40 megahertz channel space, and there's a 300 data rate, right? So there's a fat data rate right there. So, and with that said, we're pinging all the way through to dot 9. There's our dot 9. Clean pings all the way back. All right, we had 1 packet drop, which is fine. Not a big deal. So yeah, that's clean. That's super clean, right? Here's the first hop. Clean. Looks like it should. Start, stop commands, shit just runs, right? And it's all because the first link is neg 45 between the kiosk and the first bathroom, and we got a full data rate of 300, which means our pipe is fat, and the transmit quality, CCQ, is 99%. And then from the first bathroom to the second bathroom, shoot, hang on. We got a 54, neg 54. And we're using 2.4 with only a 20 megahertz channel space, so we got a 144. But I guarantee if I open up to 40, we'll go to 300 here because we got neg 52. All right? Which means that if we open this up, then the pipe going from the first and second bathroom will open up on 2.4. We can go as fat as 40. All right? So worst case scenario, if we need to use 2.440, it's going to be a 40 megahertz pipe, 300 megahertz data rate, and this will be solid. So the whole thing is, can we go to 80, right? If we go to 80, then we can open that pipe to get 200 through it, or 220, I think. So that's the whole argument. Do we stick with 2.4? Do we go with 5 gigahertz? And what channel space do we use, 20, 40, or 80? But here's our baseline. Let's go back to our test ping. So here we are going all the way back to dot 9. Let's see, do we drop packets? Why do we have 1% loss? I wonder if there's something going on with that switch at the first bathroom that caused us to have 1% loss, because we have 0% loss. All right, so what was our drop packet? We dropped 2 packets. So let's see, was that just a fluke? Yeah, it was just a fluke. Not a big deal. That's not a big deal. All right? Not a big deal. No big deal. All right? So anyway, the RF's proofed out for this link. I'm pretty sure that now that our test rig is basically our laptop going to the PoE, and then our radio going back to the first bathroom, that test clean. And I don't think that first switch is dicking up, because we can hit the dot 9 at the kiosk, which is the kiosk radio. So here we're at the second bathroom. Our trunk ports are lit green, but we're dropping packets. All right. So our test rig, once again, is just our laptop with a static IP, trying to make sure the radio network works. And we're going through our trunk port, port 11, coming out on trunk port, port 12, going to our PoE to test our radio network. and it doesn't work. Every time we use the county sauce, Cisco don't work, or the Aruba. So this is the final confirmation that we're in a valid trunk port, and our pings are dropping out. All right, so we're changing our test rig, and we're not going through the switch anymore. We're just gonna go ahead and plug in directly to our PoE. So our test rig is into our PoE. Our pings are reestablished. There's nothing wrong with these radios, but there's something wrong with the secret sauce.